Ta-da!
Ribbit, ribbit! Ribbit! Ribbit!
Ding dong! Your carriage awaits, Princess Mew.
Stop that!
Hey, wait for us.
Ta-da! Bloop, bloop, bloop!
Boo!
Mirror Mew.
Ta-da! I caught them!
Fresh apples here. Get yours now.
Now observe closely. This glyph, where combined with the seismic energy, proves my hypothesis regarding the ancient texts.
Class, attention!